friends, today's video is about the concept of magic E. It's the split digraph rule and is an essential rule in learning to read and spell. Welcome to Happiness Mintra. Do like, share and subscribe to stay connected.
Let's start with the magic E or split digraph words. Now here we are talking about the letter E coming at the end of a word. In that case, the vowel before the consonant takes the long sound. So let's understand this with the help of an example. We have this word which is actually cap. We're very familiar with it. But when we change it and we add a magic E to it, this becomes K, because now the A takes on the sound of an A, the long sound of the letter. More similar words would be lake. We would have bigger words like, let me change the color, like frame or crane, drape. So whenever there's a E in the end, what happens is that the vowel here takes on the long sound. So rather than A, it'll be pronounced as A. So it's drape, drape. And of course, we are not going to be pronouncing the E in the end. So it's crane, crane, frame, lake, sail. Very simple and easy to understand. We'll proceed with the E letter words now. So again we have the magic E. So this will actually become an I. Let's see words with this. So we have words like life. Again, there's a E in the end, so this becomes I. So life. Pile. Some more examples would be nine, a very, very common word, and of course a common spelling as well. Again, the E in the end is not pronounced and the vowel takes on the long sound. We have bigger words as well. So we could have a word like stripe. So stripe, prime, prime, slime. Children love this, so they would love to know the spelling of it. Slime. So this is basically the concept of magic E as we understand it. It applies to more words where we have the O, but it is now going to be pronounced as an O, not an O. Let's see some examples for this. So we have word like pole, war, hope. Now the concept is again the same. So we would have this take on the O sound. Pole. We would have this take on the O sound. So war. Hope. The other rule remains the same. We do not pronounce the E in the end. After that, we have longer words like stole, stone, choke, shore, a seashore. So, choke, and so on. The list is actually endless, but this is just representative to help you to understand what kind of words use these sounds. Now we have the sound, which is actually going to be pronounced as U. Now what kind of words would be used here? Dune. You know sand dunes? So dune. Duke. A duke and a duchess. Cute. Now this is a word children are very familiar with. So something cute. For longer ones, we would have prune, fluke, and of course the list again will keep on and on and on. Dune, duke, duke, prune, fluke. So in this case, it's even taking on the oo sound instead of a pure u sound. Okay? So we have to teach both to the children. Finally, there are two consonants which change based on the magic E. They both take on their soft sounds. So here, the k will actually become a s and the g will become a j. Let's see. Words like ice. So here we'll change this as well as this because there's a e in the end. Bigger words like mice, place, dance. All these words take on the concept of a magic e. So we have the e applying to both. We have the e applying to both. So m, I, s, mice. Pl, a, s, place. D, a, n, s, dance. And a couple of examples for g taking on the sound of j. So we will have words like large, beige, binge. You know, these days with so much TV and staying inside due to the pandemic, binge watching TV has become very, very common. It's a commonly used word. Edge. Again, there are many, many more words. So we have j, large, beige, binge, edge, taking on the j sound in all places because it ends with e and the sound is altered because of that. I hope the concept of magic E or the split digraph concept was clear. It's very important because there are many, many words in the English language which follow this rule. And it is essential for children to understand and know this rule, especially when they are doing their spellings, because the e is not heard at the end. So if they know the rule, they'll use it and they'll write the word correctly, they'll spell it correctly. Happy reading, happy teaching.